Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my other video. And this video is very special for me because I edited the video of a person who is one of the best creator on YouTube and his editing skills are just god level. So if you don't know who is Tharun, then he is a YouTube creator with more than 250k subscribers. Now a few days ago he uploaded this video in which he says
till like posting the video, making the thumbnails and all these things. But this year I want to build a great team. So I want people who are driven, people who are passionate about the things that they are doing, and people who are looking to join a team full of freaks who put growth and learning before everything. So if you're someone who resonates with these things and would like to join my team, I've given the link in the description.
So I have also an experience of 6 months in video editing, so I start editing the footage which he provided in the description.
So if you're new here, my name is Tharun and I'm a final year student at IIT Kharagpur. And in this video, this is the raw file that you need to edit. If you're a video editor, just edit this video properly and send it to me. So this video will be for 5 minutes and you need to take out 1 minute segment from this, edit it properly and send it to the mail theboringedit@gmail.com. Fine.
I have edited the 1 minute from this and it looks something like this.
With the ill written, I am legend, ain't no Will Smithin'. I'm back, I'm when the skills kicking. You better feel how we been ripping, cause I'm at the head, not a pillow neither.
Do everything possible to make this look wonderful.
Like it's built shipping.
So if you're new here, my name is Tharun and I'm a final year student at IIT Kharagpur. And in this video, this is the raw file that you need to edit. If you're a video editor, just edit this video properly and send it to me to the mail theboringedit@gmail.com. So the rules of this edit are like very simple, okay? You need to follow everything. You need to enhance the audio, first thing, and then you need to remove all the background noise, everything, whatever is there. Third thing, you need to color grade this footage. Fourth thing is, if you have any effects, any visual effects, whatever you want to do, maybe masking and all these things, you also need to do that. Hey, hi Tharun, what's up? What are you doing these days? Nothing, man. I'm just recording a video where, people can edit this footage and send it to us, taki we can hire good video editors. Oh, wow, that's interesting. Let's see how it goes. Okay.
So how's this? Do you find it amazing? Okay, rate this video out of 10 in the comment section. I hope you find this video amazing. I edited this video using Premiere Pro and it took me something 8 to 9 hours to edit this video. One more thing I want to share with you is that I applied previously also in the Boring Edit team and got shortlisted in the first round. But unfortunately, I didn't get any response from the Boring Edit team in the second round. But I hope this time I get selected. अब सबसे पहले आप पूछोगे भाई तू है कौन? So my name is Kartik and I am a second year student in the CS department, and in this channel I make videos related to college life, college experiences and any topic that I found worthwhile for students with some cool editing skills. So if you are a student or you love to watch the content with some cool editing, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. And if you love the video of Tharun which I edited, then share this video as much as you can. So this is all I have for you today, guys. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle.